Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, our muscle is a scalene muscle. A scalene muscle is a three pairs of muscle, which is the anterior scalene, the middle scalene, and the posterior scalene. The anterior scalene is origin in anterior tubercle of the transverse process. Start from the C3 to C6. Just right here in the front, that's the muscle makes called anterior scalene. Now let's start to attach the origin. Let's start to C3, C4, then C5, then now the last but not the least, the C6. Then it goes all the way to its insertion, the scalene tubercle, just right here on the inner border of the first rib. The action of the anterior scalene is flexion of the neck. Flexion of the neck. Flexion of the neck in the same side. And also elevation of the first rib during forced inspiration. Now let's start on a medial scalene. If the anterior scalene is originate in the front of our transverse process, this time the medial scalene, its origin are from the transverse process of the posterior tubercle, start from the atlas C2 to C7. Now I'm attaching the origin of the medial scalene, starting from the atlas C2, then C3, then C4, then now I'm on a C5, C6, and C7. As we observe, the origin is longer. It starts from C2 to C7 because the medial scalene is the largest and longest in the scalene group, and it lies deeply placed behind the SCM muscle. And now let's attach it to its insertion, superior border of the first rib. And this insertion variation onto the second rib. The medial scalene action is the same of the anterior scalene. Now let's start to the posterior scalene. The posterior scalene origin is posterior tubercles of transverse process of cervical vertebrae, C5 only to C7. So as we notice, this is the smallest of the scalene muscle group. And this muscle extend posterolaterally to its insertion, external surface of the second rib. The action of the posterior scalene elevate the second rib and tilt the neck to the same side. They are also act as accessory muscle of inspiration along with the SCM, the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Please subscribe to my channel.